This guy has a tiny, pygmy marmoset living right in his home. He found him when he was just a newborn, and he's been taking care of him ever since. Now the little guy doesn't just ask for attention, he demands to be brushed. He's obsessed with coconut jelly and constantly sneaks nuts off his owner's plate. When his owner is busy working, he patiently sits on his finger and waits. He causes trouble all day, then looks completely innocent like nothing happened. And right in the middle of playing, he suddenly gets sleepy. So his owner softly pets him, and he falls asleep right there on his finger, just like a baby.